Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, I've got this amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 airdropped trading position on their platform to do as you choose with. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100, it really helps out the channel and it's free money, so there's really no reason not to do it. Check that out down below and sign up. You'll basically come through, click through to this page, you register. All you have to do, sign up, deposit $100, and you can claim this 500 USDT position airdrop, which you can do with as you choose. You can basically do 1 to 20, I think, X leverage, totally for free. They cover your losses if you make a mistake and liquidate yourself. But you could take a pretty low leverage position for the long term if you're bullish on crypto and make quite a sizable gain for free going forward. For example, I took a 3X long position on Doge from the current position. I think my liquidation price for this $500 is like 6 cents, which is really unlikely in my opinion to go back there. But if we go up and hit towards $1, I'll probably make 6 or 7k from a free position. So definitely something to think about. I think this is a really good opportunity. Free money for you guys for helping support the channel. So please go down there and check that out because you will benefit from it. So we're taking a quick look at Polygon today then. As we can see, looking like we are testing the lows of this area that we've been trading in for a good while here. You can see quite clearly we've recently broken out of our 1, 2, 3, 4 waves to the downside. 5 waves to the downside coming down here. Testing into the pretty much lows of the bear market range. Bouncing back up, coming back down, and then basically we've been chopping sideways for a while. Polygon looking like it might come down and actually make some new lows here, but you can see how unbelievable these bullish divergences are at this low. And to be honest, we're getting into those crazy risk to reward areas now. Now, in my opinion, for Polygon, in terms of it's much more likely to be heading to the upside than the downside in this area. This is a big area of demand coming towards this bear market range low. You can see this is a previous area of structure. And I do think that we are going to be having a really nice move to the upside soon for the whole altcoin market. We really are getting quite overextended to the downside in general. And I do think with Bitcoin, most likely in my opinion, heading to the upside again soon and breaking out and continuing up towards maybe, you know, that 100k mark over the next 6 to 12 months, going into a bull market. Polygon at these prices is looking like an absolute steal, to be honest. 36 cents, that's almost 10x from the all-time highs. And to be honest, we are looking really smashed down right now in a big area of demand. Overall, obviously, we could see catastrophic failure and these prices may never recover. But in my opinion, it's much more likely that we will see a recovery than a just continued failure of these big altcoins, in my estimation. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, but in terms of probabilities, it does seem more likely than not, in my opinion, that we'll be seeing some big moves to the upside across the market soon. And these are the areas that I am averaging in personally, as I do think that there is a big amount of margin for profit from these areas. Rather than buying at all-time highs, I'm looking to buy these big dips and ride them back towards those big price spikes in the market. Overall, this is looking way too smashed down, and I do think it will probably see a nice recovery fairly soon. So make sure to get a trading bot from the description below, guys. Sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing just $100. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, Alpha X down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.